Hello everybody, I just wanted to do a short little video tonight. We have some smoke in our area from the Canada wildfires. It is really stinky, really smoky. We've had some like weird storms tonight too, but our horses are in and out of it a little bit. They're in the barn. Hi buddy. Say hi. Hi buddy. It's a little warm. They've been a little sweaty today. We have our fans going. With the smoke, they've been running around though like crazy, especially being here. Good to you, you okay? So I've been a little worried about him. He was galloping out in the pasture, bucking. He was rearing up when he came in. Hi, Sandy. You're an old girl. Until she's hot by looking at her. But I didn't want him out because they were just out there running. So I put him in. It's a little earlier than usual for a weeknight, but I'm just trying to keep them healthy. Got air flowing, just trying to help keep the air quality up for them. But thanks for watching. Just wanted to give an update here in Michigan tonight.